So we have a Nissan Leaf ZE0 in the rain. It's had a flat battery, so the dashboard has gone back to imperial settings, so we're showing miles and miles an hour, and the clock needs resetting. This is easily resolved on this one because it's right-hand drive. This square set of buttons is to the right of the steering wheel, but on a left-hand drive it's to the left of the steering wheel. But it's easily resolved. We use the square button first to bring up the menu, so we just keep pressing it until the menu shows. We can then scroll down to the clock and set the clock, and the time is 12:08. Easily done by using the buttons as it shows, so the square button to enter, the round one to change, and there we go. Clock is now set. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to scroll down, so using the round button for next. Excuse the musical chimes driving by. Going to scroll down to units, and we're going to choose degrees centigrade, and again scrolling down to units, choose speed, all in kilometers, and now you can see the range gauge has reset. We've got kilometers an hour on the dashboard, all good on the center. You'll see this is a Leaf battery upgrade car, so the range is somewhat better than a 2012 would have at this age. All good.